Oops. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's so good.
It's so good. Zucchini pesto to die for. Just gorgeous. Ingredients. Welcome. On this gorgeous day, we're creating a quick zucchini meat pesto that's going to blow your mind. It's quick, it's easy, and absolutely mind-blowingly delicious. But today's a special day because we're introducing my gorgeous daughter Desiree to this video. She's never wanted to do any cooking video. She was on one, maybe two little episodes of my Amazon Prime TV show, The Pasta Queen. And then since then, she has refused categorically, as a usual teenager does, to appear on any video with mommy. So today, everybody, Desiree. Beauty. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna wear the Dolce & Gabbana apron. You can do this. We're gonna do a half apron. Okay, so here we go. Wow, look at that waist. She is gorgeous. So today we are teaching you and everybody here the gorgeous 15-minute recipe. Not only we have the fresh pasta, this is a pappardelle, which cook in 3 to 4 minutes, but the sauce is quick. First thing first, we're gonna slice and dice the zucchini. So very important, if you don't want to slice your hand, always try to use the most non-sliding part of the vegetable you're cutting. So we're gonna put it down. That's why I cut it in half, so that it stays down. Because if you were to cut it like that, it's round and it's wobbly, right?
Yeah.
It could slip. So we're gonna slice it down, okay, and then we're gonna dice it. You wanna do it?
Sure. I'm scared.
I know we have nails, but if you go where you don't put your finger right there, you go like this. You try to use your knuckles and put the tip of your fingers inward.
Okay.
Okay, even though we have long nails, you can still do it.
Do I just keep sliding it back?
Keep sliding. You're just using your hand to hold it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Brava, amore. Brava. Brava.
Oh, no,
It's okay. Brava.
Yay.
Good. This is what we're doing. We're using the pasta water that's boiling. We're gonna cook this for a couple of minutes. We just wanna give them a light cook because they're going in the food blender, and we're creating the zucchini pesto with it. Pasta water is boiling. We're gonna salt it. Okay, so you see how much water we have?
Yeah.
So it's about 3/4. It's an 8-quart stock pot. We're using 2 large heaping spoons of sea salt. We toss our diced zucchini in. Best way to toss the zucchini so that the water doesn't splash back and burn you is to use a large spider strainer. So we're gonna load that up with the diced zucchini and put them in. Desi, do you wanna introduce yourself? What's your full name?
Desiree.
But we call you
Desi.
Desi. It's your nickname since you were little. Tell everybody, where were you born?
I was born in Rome.
Woo! Just like Mama. Okay, now you see, we're not tossing them in. We're keeping our hand away from it. Now we cook for 5 minutes and we take them out. The water is salted, so that's perfect. And then we take them out. We put them in cold, iced water to stop the cooking so that they don't get too mushy. We want to create that pesto of the zucchini. We're gonna cut little slices, Parmigiano Reggiano. Extra virgin olive oil in, pine nuts, fresh basil, a little mint, 1 garlic clove. Okay, toss it in. I want to taste it and see if I like how everything is balanced. You know what I'm gonna add now? Look at that gorgeous green, first of all.
That was very green.
It's like an emerald green. You know what this is?
No.
White vinegar. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon. Very vinegary.
Oh my god.
Little vinegar. Needs a little salt. Gonna seal it back up. Guys, it's very quiet. It's ready. What was it? 5 minutes total?
It was very
6.5. The pasta water is still boiling because we made the zucchini in it. So now we toss our pappardelle in. These cook in 3 to 4 minutes. A sprinkle of pine nuts, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a little mint. Just gorgeous! Nonna would be proud! You know what the magic of this pesto is? Is that it made Desi grow taller than me. That's how good it is. Desi and the beanstalk. Desi and the zucchini stock. But guess what? If you don't want to do zucchini, you could do it with broccoli. If you don't want to do it with... Don't do that face with broccoli. You know you need more of those.
What?
I hope you enjoyed it. It was the fastest pesto ever created here with gorgeous ingredients, super healthy, and see you next time. Well, no, see you next week.